Hello guys, these are my Kobe's, and this shoe is 4 to 6 years old maybe, as far as I know. And right there, so you can see, I didn't record the about the dismantle that part to other part. I forgot about it. And this one, the silica gel. This one is very important whenever do you want to stack your pair like this. Right there. This one, the other Kobe. Right there. And the other part is clean. Right there. You can see no debris. As you can see, I will try to take out those glue rugby like that, blower it like that. Rubbing, trying what I can do to pull it out. I'm having a trouble because I'm recording while take it off those. So you can see that part is broke. So I'm trying to take it up again. I'm sanding it. Next part. 5 minutes later. So the other part. So you can see at the toe box becomes pulverized. That's one is the perfect one to put in a barge cement like that. Not sponsored. This one is for budget friendly. The barge cement is costly around 500 pesos, 50 ml. This one. Things you consider to use. Just put it on parchment equally, that part and to the other part like that, and use toothbrush to spread it out equally like that. Those mini hole, it came from what do you call this one, a nagtatahe Mr. Wiki. That's not very recommendable. Instead, use this method like that. Spread it the other part. See that? See those? See those sinulid? Those pinhole. It's part of tahe. What you call tahe? Let's go read. Oh, and then plug it in. This one. I'm having a trouble because my other hand is holding my camera like that. Likewise, what you do on the other part, you do it to the other side, to the other pair of the shoe. This one is for the finished product. I try my very best